welcome to another episode of Iliashi with me, Maggie. So on Iliashi, we get to tackle issues as they are. We get to go into depth about the issues that the society is going through. Iliashi, you might ask, you might wonder, what are we talking about? Well, these are stories that affect the society. They affect our homes. They affect everyone. Age is not a description or a determination of where the problems are going to land. They land on everyone. And on Iliashi, we get to talk about them in depth. We'll be right back after this commercial break. Welcome back, and you're still here with me, Maggie. And of course, on Iliashi, I am never alone. I always have a face that is very familiar to your screen. This is a face that you see on social media. She makes you laugh, she makes you smile, but she also makes you understand. She makes you, but she also encourages you to be better people out there. And this is none other than Mama Chikamoneka. Mommy, welcome to the show once again.
Thank you, Maggie.
You look very amazing. You look elegant.
Thank you.
I welcome you once again. So, Mama Chikamoneka, we've been talking about a lot of things. There's been a lot of issues going on in the country, around us, Mama communities, na Mama lives, yesu. One thing that we haven't talked about on this show is things related with money. Money in a marriage, money in a relationship. So, Mama Chikamoneka, Impia, does it determine the respect that a person should give you when you are married to them?
Indalama first, tufilo kushibati indalama nichibanda. Because mwanalesa bamushitishe na urupia. Urupia lwali shupa. So nga mwaeba ati chupo, chikale munganda pamulandu wandalama, icho chupo ta chake kale. Pantukuka benshi taimota mwaka kwa tendalama. Nishi munganda mule chupo tamuli. So impia, teshinga chitamato kuikala wino mchupo iyo. Pantu impia, ni impia fi. But icho tupa nina, chite mwiko. No kubonfia lideishu ili alanda mbai, but kafiara deni kasanda nini. Mwala sanda na shani ngani mule ita dipendi pandalama. Teti. So each temwiko tendalama iyo.
Okay. So number we've seen in a lot of times we've seen that when a man now starts having impia ambo kukwata kwa impia filia limbi ali niwa broke nigga filia mulanda ba ponso buga
aponso buga
eno nombambo kukwata kwa impia wala sangati even at home a lot of things change ngawaya munganda ulesanga tama situations fila mwala ikala kale dintutamwa kwete sana impia nangu dintutamwa kwete impia ya isa change compared to now when the man has started earning. What causes men to start behaving in such a manner?
Ichirenga sana ukutila if you pofia mbio kusunkana pamulandu wakutila umaume akwatendala mamunganda chachi ne mwana wandi umaume ngali chulile lwaisa akwatendala malabala pondoka please icho chena chali fula sana mchalo chesu cha Zambia lilianga takwete mpia nangu wali upo umaume ni Mario tefyo Mario nganalanda ti Mario umaume ule ushibomba bamupa fe kumwana kashareka no mwana kashi umwana kashe ule ita provide fions but time uli omwana kasha kesa kwate mpia uli omwana akesa kwate nchitoka kwate nendalama akapondo ko mulandu washira shine ndalama so ichonga cha isapanga ndapala tapaka byo mutende tabake kale bwino because uli omwana kasha katampo kutontonganyo kwati kashi chitemwiko chali chitemwiko cha ndalama chali chitemwiko cha buchushita chali chitemwiko cha ndalama because umwa umenga ali ntemenwe tete ale chitefu pampia na kwa tempia bambala pondo kabano kuyanomba limbi bali upili omwana kashushi ushasambirira mama naka ifyofile chitika sana mulefi mwana nangu nalalanda na kuma pastors tebonse bali upili omwana kashi nabe kalatasa mbirira bale chura fine na church taira akula batinga yakula church nga baisa kwa tempia ba pastor na church yakula balaisa wananda tinana mfaye ko wasambiri omulandu wampia shafula so impia na Bible yali landa entendekero ya bubi urupia rubi sana.
Mama Chikamoneka, I just heard you talk about a Mario. Na tumona mno mchalo mwali ba sana bana kashi abate mu kuchita sponsor ba bene ba Mario. Change chilengo mwana kashu kwata desperation yaso. Ni desperation nangu kutuaranda chani.
Magi te desperation. Umwaume ngatakwete nchito tekuwa tete ope nangu takwete nchito kutia upo mwana kashi nomba uli omwaume afuira making sure kutila abako responsible kuli fimo ama responsibilities temwana kasheka eka ngachakati uli omwaume talebomba pali ilyenshita kuli abana beswa bengi abasambirira sana mu Mzambia batabakwete enchito bali abana ngatakwete enchito tekwata upe so ngaupa but if you nalanda kwe bati umwaume tachula sapulafi kuti nate omwaume wanditalebomba lero ero lokumutemwa sana nechitekero ninkwato kwati uyu umwaume wandi akengire enchito nomba abana enswa babaume ngawa upwa kuli Mario ni uli omwaume ushilebomba ini ule sungu afye kumwana kashi ngaisa kwate inchito nishina menso asamika pamutu akwete amenso yabiri ala kwata amenso 6 chira chine chilengo mlandu wako bati ababa kashana nomba if you pofile pa mlandu wandalama akwate ndalama mpondokera lidata kwete mpia na lemusunga ine na lemusunga bwino ukasanga ati magi umwana kashala bomba ali upo kumwaume ushibomba ale mushitira na moto kamushitira moto ke mtengo ile moto ka ule Mario akula sendera mona maule muri ile moto ka yamukashi efyo bachita abaume but ni shumwa nakashena nate mwafati mulume wantoka lafiana nanko abana na balume natuikala but ena ngaisa kwate mpia nomba yala ine ama ule ale sendera muri shirie myoto kashamu anakashimuna lombero chaisha no mwana ala chirebi pandemia alatachiwe me consequence so indalama entuntuko ya fibifyonse ni indalama na Bible ya diremba umuntu fienga kwa tolu pia ni shinomba nefi ya bupurumushi fyonse fya sokoloka ngakweti ameso yabiri ala kwata ala samika ameso yambi munu ma yambi pakati kamutwe yambi mu maboko akula inda da ameso 100 ili atakwete mpia alifuka nomba ichile kabirwa chako bati dende tukwete abana abanono tufiro kula bafundo kutira bana besu impia ni chibanda impia nga waisa shanga sana ukafwana bwangu umlandu wa ndalama indalama ni chibanda emkwai.
So we've also seen in certain situations where banganda vakashabale bomba then abalume tababomba. Can that house really work when a man is not doing anything and just expecting from a woman? We are not switching roles. Most of it's known that women are the ones that are really housewives, but now generations in times have changed. Women are now working, but there are also some women who don't work and some men who don't work. Can a house really function with a man who doesn't work? Because they say the man is the head of the house. So now if the man is not the head of the house, can that house really function with a woman being in charge of the finances?
Inganda ijakutina landati kuli bambi inganda shira bafye bwino baleka lafye bwino no mulume wako because uli omulume wako ngasanga okubati nshire bomba akula afu ako n'ekito shapanganda wali mona pwefyo umwana letwa ale sambaba na letwa la kusukuru filya fine nana kilira ku mukashi wakwe pantala asange enchitwaini ero bambi tafi bomba bambi tete fibombe pantu nalamwe bati urefu nde kulisha nalamu kotinga na verse mu Bible yakubati de salanda tumwa umbe afuiro kula sweating apa kufwa yakakulya ero nomba ine mfuiro kuba fe submissive kumulume wandi tefyo bambi tafibomba balaka na tete fika lefi upota mubane nsansa pantu yomwa umya kula tukwa every day bambi ngana upomwa umye ushibomba bali kala mungadaka la leta naba ume munganda mula mwini fuma munganda yandita ubomba aleta boyfriend panganda para pedofila chitika bambiri mbya mukumanya na boyfriend bale kumbatana sopa mo aisa mwebe ko fati mumpere nfishi mumpera unansunga tamwe in fact misunga fi ndeke nifi ngamshipangire obulale aleta mwalie so ifine nde chitefo mulira mo abana kashi pantu mwana kashi kwena na wali shupa mwandini na mayo wali afyaka so umwa umelafa ikafi at least na mtare bomba ale leta kufyaka likonse panganda pakubati umukashwa kuna enale sansa muka ero ichi rubana chakutira imwe mweba kashana balero mulefa yaba umyaba kwetendalama tamulefa yoma umyo shikwetendalama ndemi yeba ifala twale chita target aba umebale bashikwetendalama pantu mwaume ngawa muno mwaume wabafi ali ba very smart na afwala katambala ka white tutute amatoloshi sapato sha white uriyo mwaume ine shale mfamu life mumwanti umwaume fyo wa smart so na mulolesha shale mfwa ya reason na le ishwati uyu mwaume inangu tukekale mungande nchito yako ya ma office nga yapo ya busaka takafwa yenchito kumbi chawa mana upo kumwaume ule moneka na work suit na jombo panto akaya ko empa mu garden y'abantu nkaliyo bwadi aka fitting environment yonse akasangwamo ababa umya basambiriza sana tete nini accountant yae mukukwempa muyadi yabene so we ukachulira munomba niwe we mwana kasherwa kala ko bati kana alibombere kale nalibombere mwisho so ndeli afyefyo mwaba so imwe nale bomba mwaleria ero nomba apa nomba ile nshire bomba chabi pakunsunga fi efya baba ume basambirira sana na papa
so nomba when it comes to work, it's good that you pointed out work. When it comes to work, who is the man? When a man gets paid, let me just put it like this: when a man gets paid, and let me say the woman also works, ni mpia shabana ni shile fai kukubomba panganda.
Iyo ine walanda magiyo tuikonkomeshe po sana nali tontonkanya po sana. Ababa kashane efyo barechita. Nga mulabomba magi ulebomba na batata balebomba tula mifundo kutila nga mwafola because wena ukwata family umulume wena ukwata family ama problems akwete ku family kumwa omeni yambi na wena ukwata family wena ikwata ma problems so ifa tuchita ichupo kainga mwa upana mwasanko mubiri unga umo mwakula chita share fiance tefyo ama ideas yose mwakula bikapanga pamo because imwe mule fyala abana bali abana bale faika bakwate fintu fya ko bati badadi bali pangire pwechi na bamami bali pangire pwechi nomba nga mwafola shirie mpia kubika pamo mwala fola iwe magi wala fola 2000 abalume bafola 3000 mwabika pamo yaba 5000 pali shirie ndalama iwe magi wala ndatawo ine ku family kumwa dini kwata ma problems yaba iche bali kuma college abalume na gwatona ine na labula puka 500 aba bablu anabona ukatama problems filia ni shichupo chikakosa filia ni shina mchupo chenu mukabe palo nomba imomwe bana balelo umwa ume wali upoma ume ubombe mpia shobeta shimona ngati alande kofe kumpia shimasele talale bwino yodeno kulongana takwabi walanda shani kumpia shandi pantu ishimpia ne ushibombera nineo leta fe salad yobi hapa so iwe mpia shobe shikawama isha mwana wa muno bitashaka wami because wofu mine kuba nokona kuba fyashi wobe na ina nako ataba fyashi wo alisambira na ina alisambira so kubule mpia mwabika pamo ishi twalabika mu building twalakulira kwa abana pa kuikala twalapangira kwa abana pa kwangalira twala ko kuma college MPF shibomba noti wewe mwana kashimpia shobeta shimoneka chirie chupo chafira tachikala ukasanga tumwa umemunga ndatampa nokulafisa salad tena pesi lipitaka kulangi akala lete shino pamna dokati iwo la fisenda la mashobe efichaba muma ya ndomo ukasanga iwe magi ulafole mpia na maloni ulapoka na maloni ulekula na mansion umulume taishiba walikula mayanda ya tatu walikula mayanda for batuli no mulume obe ene mpia shakoli afe bati mpia shobe ulekulira mama properties efyo mule chitamwe bakashana lero but mulutambi tefe chifire chaba kubule mpia mwasankanya ero nomba mwatampo kwa kanya iwe otukule ko mule kulira chapamo pantufyefa mule panga tefyo obe iwe taule pange fya ku family kumienu ule pange fya abana na bwaba lume bobe fya bale panga tefyabo mule pangira abana bakashale muchalo at least bakwata kwa pa kuikala
okay so nomba kwali bafe nabaome abashifwayo kulanga let's say you're both working inende bomba nabalume bale bomba but when it comes to impia ngabasende mpia shabo na inenga na sende mpia shandi benata balanga salary so number why should a woman also now start revealing how much the woman gets on ngasende mpia to bikile pamo if the husband is not doing the same thing? Why should it not balance? Isn't it supposed to balance?
If we balance abunganda muri apantu mwali balance kale already mwa babiri mulala mwila ngeti limo so tapadi chakupusa nafafine mulala mwila ngeti limo ko fyonse fune bombeka atukufundo mwana kufika point fyonse fune bombekera ukulingana nefyo bamyebera ati apano mba mutu amipela maringi nomba mwabo mubiri unga umo nomba uyomwa umenga chako ati alefi senda la makumukashi wish watu uyumwa umi alikuwa tama problems kunse aya maule pantu shirie mpia lefu ale akanya limbia lifyala na bana kumbali pantu yuanga waishi wawe mkashuka lamu atinge shimbi mpia shire kui mama na so paka ba problem so uliomwa umeulia ale kabirwa impia shakwe nga afola na pesli pwabikapa ngalefu okulomba tawe nde lomba pwaka nono alomba pwaka nono ero atwala kuri girlfriend wako because na iwe na wishi bati bafumisha pali sarali takwabo kwikala mchupo mulume takulanga nani kane takulanga sarali takulanga payslip hawe nshamona po bati pantu ine nebo na lefola ATM yale bafyapa nafuma mukushisha mu restaurant urubiro ATM nashingira namukufunya olupia ngama diu kuti akwata ma diu zayo ishwe mpia nshirimo bati mpia sho njishibe ni mpia shandisha mulume wandi ishare bombela kunchito aleta saradi takwa bomo umyoshirango umukashi saradi nishiteti njikale nango because nishaka ndetera mafia yengi akaleta nabane minta pendwa panganda because shilenda la makala akanya na maule tetu suminishe magi fete fya kusuminisha munganda mchupu tabesh ifyo fya na tabesh.
Thank you so much Mama Chikamoneka. Well, we keep on learning, we keep on growing more in wisdom. We'll be right back after this very short commercial break.
New vibes with BMTV. Get ready, Zambia, because BMTV is about to bring you the hits with local stories, drama, comedy, and news that is all about you. Local vibes only. Catch stories from Lusaka to Livingston, towns to villages, Zambian stories told by Zambians. Drama and entertainment, from townships to trending shows, we have the best local content. News that you care about, local news, national pride, and what's happening in your hood. Your stories, our spotlight. We feature you, your talents, and your passions. Tune in now and let's vibe, Zambia. BMTV, Zambia's light, Zambia's voice.
Welcome back, and just you on Iliashi with me, Maggie, and of course, Mama Chikamoneka. We are talking about money-related issues in a marriage, in a home. These are very sensitive issues, so you better listen. You better listen to BMTV channel 114 on Topstar channel 114, and the program is Iliashi. Mama Chikamoneka. Coming back to Impia kwena nashideta kantu mayando. So when it comes to salaries, who is supposed to budget for the house?
Mwana wandi indalama nga mwafola nga mlabomba bonse babiri. Mwafola nangu tamubomba abalume babomba umukashita bomba. Impia shiyanga shaisa bonse babiri mfule mwapanga budget. Makamaka na mayo alalanda tutuefa kitchen nyutu for grocery tuefa nyutu tonse tulia alanda tulia tonso twashala no twabana be school nyutu so kupangira budget chapa mupako bati umulume obe iweta kesa kwe bati ula misuse indalama akala isho kati shindalama twali chita budget no kupasha tashani sharp anelo kala mulomba ko limbia ka change atina shipwe mpia ke shwa na tashani na shipwa so ama budget tupanga bonse banga babiri takwa abo mwana kashupanga budget eka.
So number there are those men that just ngafole mpia he makes the budget umuineeka, and then even when you ask for no they don't defer to the kwenkoko ala kupera exactly yo in 150 without knowing that kwali bako na ma incidentals kwala fa ikashani kaso nango baba shani wali abaho abaso
mwana wandi umwa umenga tale kupere mpia ero tamune pangana kwe budget ero ene ule panga budget kwali bana ma emergency munganda limbita lipo mwana alwala ukachita shanta ukwete mpia so ulioma ume uwa kushita fie nkoko lero ati lero ndefu okuli enkoko afu nyendalama enda nendalama na haka kila mumusana shikapone na mutoilet ero ngaya kutoilet kwa afumishe endalama shishiwe kutaikala na kwe umwa ume afido kulete mpia shonse ni fola bakashibandi pesli pula batuputula ishina baputulamo impia tushere muna shena nishi ten tupange budget not yena pali shashi nempie po alefu nyama 150 nama 50 kwa chati kashiteni mubunga mushite muna saradi awe filate chupo tamwaka chitena develop mukala ya fiobu ya numa tamwaka tari ya pobu ya ntanshi ili yonselo mule pangira chapa mo budget no mulume shirienda lama shikala be shapalwa in fact nga mwafola iwo wafola magi abalume bafola mwale tempia pa mo bifota mulabo mfiendala mufile mwabika pone pepe mwapepa kulile soktile shimpia shisangurukele sa shipala chilienda lama tesha kwa fati aisa fena 150 atiyo ni mfole mpia ni shambanki nakula kufumisha 150 awe filia tefu suma kubale umfabonse filia if you pofia msango file tafikala because umukashobe ake kasha boyfriend ero boyfriend akala mpere mpyo kuchile yo 150 ole mpera tawaka muikate nishapo apondoka aba bene mule mona bengi bapondweke bana mayo kairi umulumesa na 100 kwacha ero aya kuri boyfriend ampera 10 pin apenda mwevele mayo ika 10 kwa 8 pin 2 pin na ina na puli na mashawama kaishandi.
So Mama Chikamoneka, dwelling on this same thing, there are some women where umama fole mpia aleta file mwachanda no, when you get paid you put the money on the table so that you decide together what you need to do with that money. There are some women where umama nga fole mpia abi kafile pa table, then shafidati you make a budget and everything nga foma pofye. The next phone call you receive is that awe repu ya sira kuno tufunika tomato. How do you deal with such things? If you were a man, how would a man deal with such things?
Ichakubalira poma gecho ningalanda chakubati uyo mwana kashi tadi bwino muri icho echupo pantu mulume obe pakuletere mpyo kutulikira shonse nishina kuchetekera tumukashwandi ala panga budget yakubati nshaka kwate stress shaka kwate na BP pantu ngakuletere mpya na ishwate mpya nkwete takuli kumbie kwa alafu nyempia so akupera pakuti upange budget ukisafika pali bula bishuku akakwata shimbi ero nombadi ya tuli kashiri mpya iwe nomba magi watampo kulolesha tinkopi nshkwete ama nails nshkwete ama lipstick nshkwete ama ukufwala ama powder 90 degrees pame nso nshkwete na balls kankra mutapali hapa instead upange budget ya munganda watampo kupanga budget iyobe iyo umunandi pane bali fwala Brazilian ya 10 pin na ine mfale ko Brazilian iyo umunandi ali fwale la mama Chikamoneka liba mona nela ali ya mtengo na ine mfale ko nela tawishi bena ko bafume mama Chikamoneka baba 6 to 6 pa machine bale panga ama 50 kwa cha ama alterations ero iweta ubomba bakuturikire ndalama wamba kupanga po budget ya mabwala kaidi abenge aba ume bale upaba na kashiteshi byatu mwana kasharanwa na wishwe joka ali fisa bale upaba na kashiteshi byatu mwana kashala pepe nsunko bushe na wishwe mpia shispenda aba bantu abantu obwalo magi balona ule mpia, I'm telling you, because nalakwe bati umuntu ale pepe nsunko sha 50 kwa cha ede because bala pepe shwe nsunko ka kali yake ene kala babashita kali yakatushinga ko bapomba muka plastic kali ni 10 kwa cha magi so pakuti onfwe bino because yani drug ale faika onfwa bino kumutu kwa bakwati kwa fulungana eri waishi bati na pepa so ala pepa 50 kwa cha nbanga wachisa calculate pali ile ine mpia bamubikile pa table pali afuile apanga po budget ya nsunko pantu insunko ali addicted ngata pepele take kale bwino so ala somo na po 50 pini ya wiki aside ngato apenda 50 kwa chat by 30 shala tupera ila yonse mpia alafu mi hapo ala wiki aside pokti ale ishtari yonse ale pepa chile cha ingira mukatika mutima wako tachifumile mumubiri wako tachamuleke mama naka ero ngabi kesha nsunko pali shashile mpio mwa ume na leta umwana wabere na leta mpia panga budget natukwata bana ku skulu natukwata bafyashi natukwata baso na uli anomba shirienda la mashiria ala bika para budget ya bwalo mama naka ero ngata mpoku no bwalo mwalanje bashani magi bantu bozi ngalenwa bozi 40 kwacha pe boto ngalenwa ma bozi 5 a day times 30 nishinga usheyo budget ya biki kabuno ikamomba bwino
30. So Mama Chikamoneka, I have seen when it comes to relatives, when it comes to money issues, money handling with relatives, there are times where ine na diupwa fobanandai na diupwa na kwata ma relatives naba lumebandi bali kwata ama relatives yabo. So number when it comes to problems that arise in our families, who is the best person to handle issues that come from my family and issues that come from my husband's family?
Bonse babiri mufulemu achita handle ama problems alef ma families mwala ikala panshi abalumenga bayisa iwenga bapokera problem abalume na bapokera problem bali kunchito taba kutubine phone atini kwata problem bala kulolela wise nga wabwela kunchito nabalume babwela kunchito mwala ikala panshi after bali abasamba mwana mkulala ero wabatsa dad kwena ni kwata kweli yashi ku family kumwandi kuliko problem ya soso twala isova shani problem umwa umepalia ala landa twala chitefinefi mukashwandi pakuti tusolving ile problem ili kulia na iwenga wakwata problem kumwenu na wala be babalume nabena umwaume ehead emutwe wanganda so chonse chibwafye cyo tulepokera ma families both kuchaume na kuchana kashi yali ama problems tufire twabika pamu bakuti ichupo chesu kirenda bwino n'abafyashuku barenda bansansa bale pale ichupo naba bali uku nabena barende bansansa nabo bale pale ichupo ati ahulya mwana kwena ngatwalira fye pano no umupongoshi wesu aturolekesha because iwe ngabakupera wala yona ndati mayo basove i problem ni banani nibashimwana tefyo so bama balala ndati aho batataresa ale bapala balenda fe kalumo lumo so fushfiri okubendalama
namba mama chikamonika kwali ba lupwa bambi abakwata problem. There are some family members that have got a problem. Me, when my family members have a problem, they won't come to me, or they'll just come. Let me start with this one first. If I have a problem, na problem ku family kumwanti. Wena besa fe kuline, but they don't go to my husband's side. Why is it always supposed to be like that when they know that they are supposed to go to my husband's side? And even when they go to my husband's side, let's say for example, kuba lumebanda mukubeba ma problems oyo bakwete mu family. Nishi balupwa bambita balandira ati inena alisa ya kuba lumebenu nabe bati ninkwata ma problems nabampera kompya. Why do they hide it? Why do some relatives not tell you the truth that they went to your husband and they asked for money? And why is it that my husband can't tell me that my relatives went to him to ask for money?
Mwana wandi magi pali irelia shwafika ko yashiria kakata sana okulingana n'entambisha Yesu iwe magi abalume bobe ama sisters bobe nama cousins nabanoko nabawisu tabakwete ensambu ishakulombe kiri kyonse kumulume wobe iwe niwe bofiri okubalombera nga wamona bablulu bobe baleya kumulume wobe makamaka ama sisters bobe nama cousins wishi byati ubwafya bwayingira tacyasuminishiwa iyo bafire okupitira muri iwe ero nombo bwafirisho bwatashani bwamoneka nango na ukatoma icho obe ari ku skulu ero nomba lebula phone ari tumina bamlamba ko instead ya kutumina iwe atumina bamlamba ko kunchito bamlamba ushikwetefi tumine ni kwefi bamlamba ko balaima bala mtu wa defi ale fire iwe tawishibe na mairo akatume fofine uri amulamu akwala kwata nombo kutontonga yako ati aba umebali shupa akamiupa babiri so we ufire ukupuisha buri obwafya ni webo ufire wamwe bati wikatara ichinamona nikatara chumfa polibiri chako bati ureba inero naye babalume bandi fidia nishureta protect abalume bobe kuri bali abana kashi mwamonaka umwaka iri sister obe mukashi kumulume obe makamaka kazeni ala mukashi ero wikapwalala wansi ngambo kumutumina amafone atindalama akaya ali afye bwino akabwere akayiringanye no kuyiringanye ero taka kwebenga ferujo wala tanishita balandira techa kwebe ero albalo umfanensoni kayiri bamwe babapongoshi ero atumina bapongoshi ine tetinji miefoni ukwebo mpongoshi ati pera ko so much aho takwaba ndeba umwana tinje berako batata bampere kwa kali konse ishikwete obunga be batata banshitire ko obunga namufa efye ntambishaba umupongoshi takwatensambu imwe bapongoshi wabantu tamwa kwatensambu isha kuya straight kumupongoshi ati shireni ubunga takwaba muntambishakana efo chaba mwana kashi na iwa wine tawa kwatensambu isha kutumina bapongoshi bo byaba umyati bapongoshi muno munganda ninkwata problem nangu bapongoshi abana kashi ninkwata problem takwaba efya bentambi emkwaye.
So there are also certain family members that don't regard a woman as the wife to the husband. They prefer telling the man those problems that they are facing, or especially because now we're talking about money issues. There are certain relatives of a man that would never even consider talking about it with the wife. And then when they tell the husband that if you're not quite a problem, yaso, the husband prefers to just deal with it alone. Is that really the right thing or the right way to go about it?
We chuta chiene yo ero tachiri na bwino na ngufepano no mwana wandi magi. Umwa umeonse afili okwikali ko lupalo akwenga kupa. Bakupera respect, bakupera umchinshi. Songa chako bati bakula bali kusura iwe mukashero bale pitafye rushenshe ntungo baisa fuma rushenshe numa bakakona wire chupo. Songa wamona ma mistakes ya msango fidia iwa wine file wateko mulume wobe pansha tawe ine mwali ngupandi mukashi nalisanguka omufyashi kuli luli olupwa na ine ndi mwana kuli bamayo kuli akulupwa bebeni bale nchita respect bela isa fe direct kuli imwe baisa sende mpia ero nga mwaisa nonjeba tachile moneka bwiro ni family tatulekanya tumulwe kuti akano kubapera kuti abapera bati na iwa wino fule waishi batira babule mpia na bapera ba family because you are one body.
What do you even do in such a scenario where you've never, maybe not even once in your life has your husband ever told you that in a family not to encounter problem here, so not even sharing that the family has encountered that problem. The only time maybe you get to learn about it is when maybe problem yeah isa kulachi problem or number one isa issue at kwalina problem yeah, so nish bachitira so about me nish tabakwatira honesty yakula that okay could if you so safe yachitika, why don't they like confiding in their women about these problems?
Bakula kuletera confusion kuli luli olupwa abalume bobe bakula kuletera nomba confusion kuli ya family kwatita mumfwana panganda balabe ne abalume bobe bakula kutukisha pali filafine bale chitoku ya kuli okwa bulayi wokuishiba so efira na chilanda tukumuteka panshu kumwe bati yonse fyo le chitofu do lenjeba echupo okukosa munganda echupo kuikala bwino munganda na munganda tamubane chongo munganda omubombeka ifinto accordingly.
So number and in these times we've seen village banking, we've seen betting for men. Can you say that village banking and betting has also affected money related issues when it comes to a home?
Alande miebe chowafika po na chileta sana umupamba mchalo chesu cha Zambia because if you have betting tubalete tudeke na umwana pa social media abantu no kuyikulika bale yikulika kula bati umwa umyale tempia bwino salad yonse aleta kushira aya na kunchito waisafa yoko bati o ishimpia shifulireko wala twala betting show senda lama bakulia mama naka ichi ashara nomba watampo kutontoka nsumwe wandi ngai safia timpia shirikwisa njisemwe bati nabandi ichi ashara kuchita shani kuyikulika so filia leta ma problems no mwana kashi fyo wangalira kuma betting fiete mwana kashi umwa umyafire kumukana immediately pantu akaleta obuchushi bakala ya fyo buyanu batabaka yepo buyantanshi tabaka kuli aba nabo bale kula yena letera betting aletera sojo era nomba le muna bananko jealous yaingira but alela but abalume bamunanko bafule mpia shimoshiri nabalume bako but bale kala panshi nabakashibasa shiriye mpia bashipangira budget we akano no kala kene kala kule nganda mwa 400 kwacha 20 kwacha mwabika na mushati 20 kwacha eka kubukule muri 20 kwacha muri ama bloko yabiri mwabika pali mama naka so nomba umwana kashinga letere mpia sojo temwana kashuya uwa kwikala nankwe bale bakanu kwa bulano kuseka bale aba ume Mzambia bale kanu umwana kashupe pensunko kumukana because tawakatala uyo buyantanshi budget yanuine nsunko no bwalwa shira fula abana kashaba bwalwa ubwalwa bwali pisana kwali tatulekanya ubwalwa bible bwali sumia bible yali sumisho kuli uguno bwali ngaini no ero na mayo fetafude fe no kunwa na mayo fye magi tafude okuno bwalo ndemieba shishibe naba umecho bekadira nabana kashaba nsunko no bwalo because shaisho that time imagine baba kisinga shani because lilieri ashiri lali na pepe nsunko lwale nunke nsunko nunke boss elwesa nunke kai una mayo ngalenwa sana alaya ya sana na ku toilet ala ipuka le chitenge misu so gatwa fisanganye fyala tampo kununke mbukula by the time umulumi ala isa kunchobese baginya bakashinabe ya baba ume bamzamia shishibecho bale ikadira bana kashibambukula pantu mwana kashafai kabisa nga alafu makunchi mulume achishaka pia nashitapona ka roho nashitapona ka perfume at least ale isamu hage mwabwelele nkunchi ale nunkira ko buntu nochokula nunkire nsunko pantu ichintu chonse choka chitane nsunko no bwalwa kai muntu ngali ba addicted magi ala pepa ala nuwa nangu akasambeshani ile ine addiction ya fyalingira mu mulopate ngapiba kwambo kununka ubwalwa n'ensunko so nomba umwa umenga na upo mwana kashi wa nsunko umwana kashi wa boss ubwalwa bonse fyo bwapera afiria mukana no mwana kashi wa betting afiria mukana because uyumwa umetaka kokole akafuwa bwangu because abantu aba umeta bakosa aba umebena tabakosa akala mpera stress akala mpera ma problems chira bushiku pantu impia nga pepera ala tampo kutuma mwa umyali panchito ali maini nchito na ikosa ale tumafoni ya soti takuli kai impia ya soti na pepera mwensunku wamonaka dadi sopo takuli na chishempia inomba ulenja sopo na ipo bathroom wanje bashani umuntu ali kunchito ero chino echalo tulimo mwana wandi Magi ichalo na chupa tachiri kwati fila twali akaleba mpando taleta iyo na bakunchito balaleta onse nangu ni housewife ino chitana salapuka tuli mu business world iyo muntu afiro kucha venture into any business ichi kabiri ichi refa ikafechi le kabiri wakufunya pwenso inso nokweba mulume wantawa kwanishe ama problems tukwete yengi na tukwataba na lekana ine nde chitakwe pakoti na nde support ako nimkwasa problem family kumwandi at least na afu ako shakala tave depend pali salary yobi ero nomba uyo misi zimbukula bamulete bamuturikire ndalama elo ababeni aba umebali wamana kumipashi ndemieba ukasanga tumwa umwana kashala kolwa batali kanko yeza ndiezi ine shaishwe mo chalola because umwa umetafiri okwikala no mwana kashwa ifyaka fwa bwangu ndemieba elo mwana kashenga le pepe nsunku ale kolwa no bwalwa fila fintu fibili fila twalo mwana kashikubule ububi ndemieba so bashitata Zambia mwambe fyo kubakana one by one discipline ya laisa ko Mzambi.
So namlanda pali betting na chipsha ili pushoni mbilia village banking is most of the times when a woman is budgeting and everything impia shaisa first thing village banking. Are we against village banking or should it continue or is it a good initiative?
Kuli bambi ni good initiative ngani mpia shobe Magi niwe bole fola ero watwala ku village banking ishobe not ishamwa umi filiani shule mufyenga nshatara inepona kulira nshatara kongola pun kongole panondelanda pantu 13 ndale yode nshatara betting apo fine nshatala nevo fine ole anda chama village banking nshatara join up pamlando wako batifira leta ma stress ndemye baso chawa mokubula shidempie shindeteri omulume wandu kishiro kutwala mu village banking na panga budget wino na bula pona ka business na kula ocha tute na ya kungula tutute aka dish katampo kundetera profit nde bula kateni kwa chande banking ukuchiro kutwala ku village banking ero nomba nde pero mwa ume pressure uli omwa ume take kale bwino icha shara nomba omwa ume atampo kufuma munganda atampo kuya kulikala katantike mu market na mu corridor tauba mona ba ume ba masuti na imina paka musalu na chitanefi ale kalolera kale kaida ichikashina twale pia ku village banking so nomba kula kulituna market tutulecha tomato na tuti tuitamfisha fefu ebeni aba ume shire mpia lendetero mwa ume fure na bula poempia dadi kwena tatu aikalefi ifikara chimbu itefikara nama ikata tata chumbe ntungu ichuma tachimona munangani na ini akakene tata na bula po katupini na naisha kom business na iwole leta kwa this tomato tapari washitako mga wabika mu village banking impia shapira pakati kansha wala shifunya kwisa wala tumano mbomo umyoka mkongola kaloba ero nga kongola kaloba let expect mwa umera ikala free ala tampoko wala nokufwa bwangu.
That's true. Thank you so much. Well, I'm learning a lot, Mama Chika Monica. This topic is really iresambilisha sana. It has taught me a lot of things. The fact that we are married, sometimes we might not know kuti how are we supposed to manage this? And you being here is really helping us understand it better. And I know the viewers out there are also understanding and enjoying this program, and I know you are learning a lot. Mama Chika Monica, it's been a time. I've had a very lovely time having you here. Thank you for the wisdom always, as you always say. The only wise woman in Zambia.
Nineboneka fimwandi inete tisekele mokula nunke mbukula mensuko wena boss uteti tabesh.
Well, this is Iliashi. It's been me, Maggie, and Mama Chika Monica. What is your take home? My take home from this is that as a married couple, managing money together is really important, because that is where you get to make decisions together. You get to make the right decisions together, because you cannot manage to handle money alone. And managing money alone really makes you go into these things that Mama Chika Monica is talking about. It makes you go into betting. It makes you go into village banking. It makes you go into things that you didn't even want or you didn't even plan for. Why? Because you never planned it well. And I know that when you plan together, it makes you have a better choice at things. It makes you have a better life for your children, for you yourself as well. It not only does that for you and your children, but also the people around you. When you manage it well, it gets to benefit you in a lot of ways. Dear men, please learn to share that. You don't go for them sharing and to say, no, me, I've gotten paid. This is what is on the table. And also to the women out there that are working, it is important, like Mama Chika Monica outlined, that you sit down with your husband and tell him, oh, this is what is on the table. Let's plan together. I know when you plan together, you get to have a better future. You get to have a better life rather than doing things alone. And they say, you don't build a village on your own, but you need people around you. So stay alert, and I know that you're still learning a lot on Iliashib. Join us on BMTV channel 114. You can catch us also on YouTube at BMTV Zambia. We're also active on Facebook, BMTV channel 114. Also, our Instagram page is also available, BMTV Zambia, and TikTok as well, BMTV Zambia. It has been me, Maggie, on Iliashib with Mama Chika Monica. We can't wait to see you next Thursday at 21 hours. Bye.